Hey all. This is so big. Hi all. Taco Bell and Pizza Hut. Yeah, I just wanted a little snack. So I had a pressed juice earlier. This pineapple, passion fruit, carrot, turmeric, pressed juice I had earlier. Yeah, feel like my cup. It's so cute. It's like multicolor snails. This is my water with ice. This is my regular little Stanley with some coffee in here. But I did order some. Why is this always doing this? I ordered a drink. I tried not to, but I was just craving the root beer. This is what is it called? Root beer. I was gonna get a Coke Zero, but got a root beer from Taco Bell. This is the straw from McDonald's that I'm using. So. Put that there. Put this in here. Okay. So, got my Pizza Hut. Can you see this? No. Okay, good. Doesn't look weird. Anyway, I don't have a bag to put this in. So my Pizza Hut. Why did I read that as something from like Dove Cameron or something? I don't know why I just read that as Dove Cameron. I don't really know who that is though. I think she's like an actress or something. But she had like some new movie that was like good that I wanted to see. I think I saw her on like some talk show or something. Anyway, hi y'all. Be Love from Camden, New Jersey in here. Hi y'all. Hi. What are you eating? I'm eating some Pizza Hut and some Taco Bell. But this is not my typical Taco Bell order because I just wanted to snack. Like I didn't want like a huge like order. But I was craving this flatbread pizza. Why is this not open? Okay, here it is. This isn't even super hot. The dude, like, I don't know, but the guy was like just sitting in the same place for like 10 minutes. So I don't know what the fuck he was doing, but whatever. Anyway. Doesn't this look so delicious? This is the cheesy pepperoni. Can you see? Cheesy pepperoni flatbread pizza. Cheesy pepperoni flatbread pizza from Pizza Hut. And it has like little garlic. Can you see all the little like garlic on it? Can y'all hear me? Oh my gosh, do I have the volume on? Hold on. Can y'all hear? Hopefully. Anyway, this is from Pizza Hut. And then so what I got from TacoBell. Let's see. I'm literally so hungry. I love that they're giving so many napkins. Anyway, this is not even hot. Like, what the fuck? Oh my gosh. You know how I am about like my food being hot? You know? What happened to that boy? What boy, man? Who are you talking about? There's never a boy or man here. Well, that's a lie, but whatever. Anyway. Hi. I don't know who you're talking about, but oh my gosh. Okay. Pizza. Oh my gosh. You know what? This pizza reminds me of the pizza from Rainforest Cafe. This is the like little taco nacho dip. It has almost said chicken. It has seasoned beef. I almost said rice. I wish I had rice because that would make it better. It has seasoned beef, cheese, shredded cheese, I think also nacho cheese, pico de gallo with like tomatoes, sour cream. I think this is a little cilantro. Did I say beans? It has beans in it. No, this this thing is falling apart. That was a bad pull, but I was craving this so much. I'm hoping they keep this. This is like one of their the Taco Bell deluxe menu item or whatever. It's so good. Mm. Mm. It looks good. It is very good. It's just Taco Bell. Calm down. No. You don't understand. This is so good. It's just so good, y'all don't even understand. Oh my gosh. You said the pizza dough has been sitting for 6 or 7 days. I don't even know what the frick. The guy was literally sitting after he picked up my order for like 5-10 minutes. So they burnt this. I was like, oh, it's gonna be so hot and fresh. It was not. It was not. Is that New York style pizza? Is this New York style? I don't think this is New York style. When they do it again, I don't know if it was Pizza Hut or if it was Domino's or if it was what's that place called, Papa John's. They did the New York style pizza, the huge slices. I have to find that again. Oh my gosh, just fell on the pizza. They do have taco pizza. I love what's called pico de gallo. Pico de gallo. I absolutely love the tomatoes, like the fresh tomatoes, fresh chopped tomatoes with cilantro. What else comes with it? Pico de gallo, cilantro, onions. I absolutely love it. It's so good. They all agree. I think it's so good. I didn't get wings, no. I almost did. I almost got spicy buffalo boneless wings. But I didn't. So I was like, no, I just want a little snack right now. And I make sure I eat it all because I don't feel like having like leftovers and stuff right now. What is this? That's a fabric. I forgot to get the churros. The caramel, I don't know what it is. The caramel churros from Taco Bell. I forgot to get those. Frick. I will try to remember next time. If they don't, I'll take them off the menu. That was so good, y'all. Oh my gosh. That was a lovely lunchtime, afternoon, lunch / snack. This is a Dr. Pepper. My bad. This is a root beer from Taco Bell. I had the new nacho dip, chips and dip that they have with beans, pico de gallo, sour cream, ground beef, and cheese. So good. I think I had nacho cheese too, pretty sure. And then I had the new PizzaHut pepperoni cheese flatbread. It was so good. What are we supporting? So you're supporting my Cash App, which is hashtag Chanel Rain Life TV, my Facebook, which is Chanel Rain Life, my TikTok and Instagram, which are Chanel Rain Life TV, this channel, which is Chanel Rain Life, and my other channel, which is Chanel Rain TV, I think, or Chanel Rain Life TV. I don't remember which one, but please support both. I do ASMR eating videos, eating mukbang videos. I do talking mukbang eating videos, vlog mukbang eating videos, cooking eating show videos, vlogs showing fashion, beauty, items, clothing items, talking about life, dating, life advice, dating advice, relationship advice. This is a perfume that I have. It's the Guess Seductive Fragrance Perfume Mist. It is so good. It smells so amazing. I'm going to keep uploading videos of, of beauty, fashion, clothing hauls, life advice, vlogs, stuff like that. So make sure you subscribe, turn your bell notification on. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe as well, so that you can catch up on those. Do I live stream on Facebook? Not right now. I don't know if I'm able to. So let's get the support up over there on my Facebook page, which is Facebook Chanel Rain Life. All my social medias are on my links on my channel page and also on my community tab on my channel. You can see all my links on there. But yeah, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.